not too sweet.
Yo.
Oh my gosh.
Look what we've found out here. Food trucks, so delicious. Woo-hoo.
I know.
So we are featured on PromoSTK's channel. So we're about to go and eat some food. And yeah, since my mom couldn't be here, I decided to bring here to her. PromoSTK, eating good in the neighborhood. Oh yeah.
What's up? This is from Moon's Barbecue. Y'all come on down, get some barbecue nachos.
Hey.
I'll be back to get this.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Hey guys. Shout yourself out.
Hey, I'm a little shy.
That's okay.
Gelato love time.
Yeah.
Come get a car and get some gelato.
Nice. That blood orange is good. Y'all come check him out. They deliver.
Appreciate that.
Back with the crepe and cream. Crepe, crepes. Doing all right. I will.
Hi, Mama.
Want to shout yourself out?
Do what?
Want to shout yourself out?
Oh, I already put it out on Happy Bay Facebook.
Facebook? My mom's a YouTuber. She's not here. Come see y'all.
That's right.
Y'all come on out. Panama City Mall. Check them out.
Tag is on that Facebook. Yeah. Nice.
What flavor is that? Blood orange?
Limoncello.
Limoncello.
That's a good combination. That's a great
Yum.
combination.
Let's see you try that.
Appreciate it.
How's it crit?
I mean, if heaven, is there a word better than heaven? Well, heavenly. All right, Letitia, what are you eating today?
Some gelato?
Gelato. Do your little happy dance. Oh, not too sweet.
Yo.
Oh my gosh.
Look what we've found out here. Food trucks, so delicious. Woo-hoo.
I know.
So we are featured on PromoSTK's channel. So we're about to go and eat some food. And yeah, since my mom couldn't be here, I decided to bring here to her. PromoSTK, eating good in the neighborhood. Oh yeah.
What? Ridiculous.
What? It's ridiculous.
That dog.
Oh.
Like, bigger than my hand.
Oh my god. Wow.
Gator bites.
Gator bite.
And gumbo.
And gumbo. Where did you get all these from?
Food truck, I don't know his name.
Yum. Oh, you got that one from, you got the dog from Moose
No,
Barbecue?
no, that's
No?
from the other guy.
Oh.
That's all his stuff. Same truck on the
Really? Yeah, they didn't have their names.
Oh, I can't eat all that. What are you doing? What are you doing? Giving us eat?
Yep.
You're funny.
That's what my mom does.
I want to look at this food.
Mm-hmm.
That's what you do with that. I got the baby spoon too. Little sample spoon.
These are boneless wings. I just got mine like just regular.
The dip is good here. So it came with the gator.
I'm gonna get another gator.
I hope so.
This is a gator.
Would you like to catch one?
The gator actually tastes better than the chicken.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Mm.
I can get you a pet one. You don't want a pet one?
No.
They only piss a little.
I ain't got food now.
Huh?
I ain't got food now.
I know, right? That's crazy. They do better investing in a better hot dog.
That's good.
Patty for a hot dog. But that's why it's so cheap too.
Mm-hmm.
$5 for one hot dog. And $1.50 for chili, all the added toppings are free. So $6.50 for all that. I'm watching you. Your mama's gonna be so proud.
Think so?
What you got in there?
It's pound cake from Moose Barbecue. But it's about gone now. Sorry, y'all. This was a big old pound cake, but I've been eating on it out there. It's gone. It's good. I'll give y'all the last big bite. Sorry. Crispy and moist.
Crispy and moist, it's a good combination.
Mm-hmm. Okay, the last piece for last, and I gave it to y'all.
Now you're gonna have to stay awake.
drink me a bang.
There you go. You ain't got no wings for baby. I mean, all that.
I don't know where all that shit.
Was that fun?
Mm-hmm. Bye, guys.
Deuces.